Straight going straight. When I pretend if I lose my mind, thinking that I was really so key respect, experience, divinity. That is why I never hear my personality. They will never get enough from what I give. I just try to stay humble all my way, but all my strength just take me. I think can I really be that simple man that I really want somebody to give me the real answer to my worries. I think I got questions for the gods. I look up in the sky, all I see is of dimensions. And everybody wish I could fly to reach the star they never ever end. But I realize there's a lot of dreams. They can't take me so far away. But I can destroy it. But I swear I can try to. Some harms and pains that you ever feel, that I know and I don't know from your past. And many things that I've been trying to make to change these ways.